Hey, what's up? Welcome to NAM Design. On this week 36 of UI Speed Art Design, we will be designing an NFT Marketplace app. So let's get started. Before we begin the design process, here are the assets and style guides that will be used. For the icons, we will use the UIUX icon, which can be found in the Figma community. Additionally, I've included the images that we will be using. For the typography, we will use Space Grotesque as our typeface, and I've also outlined the color palette we will use. I have already created local libraries for the color foundation and the grid system to ensure clarity while using this design. Now, let's start designing. This app will have 4 screens, and I will only be designing the home screen as a tutorial. So, let's get started. Let's start by creating a headline for this design. We will use the Space Grotesque typeface with a size of 24, a bold weight, and a line height of 150%. Next, we will customize it by changing the text color first, and then we will highlight the text by altering its color and converting it to uppercase. Next, we will create a category tab. We will label the tab as Trending. After that, create the auto layout by pressing Shift+A. Next, customize the tab by applying a fill color and changing the text color. Set the corner radius to 32 and adjust the auto layout padding to 16 pixels for the horizontal and 8 pixels for the vertical. Finally, add a soft stroke with a weight of 1. After completing the creation of the primary tab, make a copy for the secondary tab. Customize this copy by changing the background color, the text, and the text color. Then, create 2 additional copies and update the text in each. Finally, select all categories and set the spacing to 16. Next, create a subheading for the trending category and label it Top Collection, adding a fire icon next to it. After that, change the text color. Now, add another icon by going to the Assets panel and then dragging the icon into your project. Customize the icon by adjusting the weight to 1.1 and changing its color. Finally, select the 2 frames and create an auto layout by pressing Shift+A. And now, let's create the card item for this top collection. First, hold down the F key to create a frame for the image preview. Next, customize the container by changing the top left and right corner radius to 20. After that, add an image to the container and adjust the image to fit properly within the container. Now, let's move on to creating the detail card with all the necessary details. Remember to use auto layout for this card. Next, create another subheading for the trending category and label it Best Artist. For this, I will just copy and paste the subheading that I made earlier. After that, let's create the card item. Remember to use the auto layout when creating this card. For this card, we will only show one artist. Now, we will create navigation for the app. Begin by going to the Assets panel to select the icon you want to use. Then, change the icon in the Libraries on the right panel. Next, create an auto layout and set the padding to 4. After that, duplicate the navigation to create another instance. Change the icon for this new instance. Once you have updated all the icons, select all of them, create another auto layout, and set the gap between the icons to 56. And now, let's create a container for the navigation. To do this, you just need to set the padding to 32 pixels horizontally and 24 top, 34 bottom. Once you are done creating the navigation, it's time to add a shadow to the container. Now we have completed the creation of the home screen for the NFT Marketplace. Here is the preview of the app. We will include the Figma file in the description for you to learn the app. That's all for today's video, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye!